Hello everybody, welcome to Life in France. Life in France with a house with a lake.
Okay, today we're going to have some renovation work done. We have the existing chimney here. It's not deemed to be safe for new French regulations. So I've got a team of guys coming in today to take this away to install a new wood burner. So this is the before shot. And I'll show you the work once it's done. Two hours in and the chimney breast is completely gone. The room's going to look so much bigger. Okay, at the end of day one we've got the new chimney stack installed. The one thing the guy said to me, "Where's your tiles?" I'm thinking, tiles? No one's told me about buying new tiles for the roof. I'm thinking, at the end of the day, you guys are putting a hole in my roof. You need to have prepared and get some tiles. So we've got a tarp just underneath that ladder covering a hole, and let's see if they brought some tiles on the second day. Okay, so after the first day the chimney has been taken away. I say first day, the guys finished at 1 o'clock and then buggered off, leaving it like this. Now it's supposed to be a 2-day job. I would have thought they'd have rendered that wall. Let's wait and see what happens. Not particularly happy. 4 hours they were here. Okay, that's the answer to the question. Plasterboard. Okay, end of the second morning, and they've totally boxed off the hole in the wall, and they're creating a hidden area to cover the pipe as it goes out, which is silver in colour, because thankfully, although the initial salesperson that came round said I couldn't have a cream pipe from the cream fireplace going all the way up, I had to have a black pipe attached to the end. The guys here said it can be done, so they've gone back to the shop this afternoon to go and pick a cream pipe for the whole height of the exterior pipework, so it should look a bit better. Okay, the workmen have gone. In total 9 hours to fit the new fire. All I need to do now is paint it, the backdrop.